Welcome to this WIPM Summit 2021 event platform tutorial. I am going to cover the My Profile area of this event platform. So to get to your profile within the platform, click on the circle image here. So you'll see mine has my picture on it. I'm Vicky Poole. But yours will have your picture, or if you haven't uploaded a picture, it'll have your initials. And then select My Profile. So you can upload an image, enter in all your details here. And if you want people within the event platform to see your email, you have to tick this box. These 3 questions we've added to the event platform to help with some conversational starters. I know it can be a bit tricky to start a conversation when the event is online, so I would recommend populating these to help with the networking aspect of the event. Scrolling down, you'll see that you can enter in a phone number, and if you want it to show up on your profile, you have to tick this box as well. Then there's a social media area to continue the networking opportunities outside of the event platform with your fellow delegates. And once you have finished editing your profile, make sure to click the Save button. And that is everything for this short tutorial. I hope you enjoy the event.